Welcome to all of you. Okay, in the last period we are discuss about the reactivity series of metals. Okay, reactivity series of metal means the arrangement of metal in the increasing or decreasing order of reactivity. It's called the reactivity series of metal. Okay, the reactivity series of metal also classified into three category: highly reactivity metals, moderate reactivity metals, and low reactivity metals. Okay, after that we are discuss about the reaction, okay, of the metals with non-metal. Okay, what happen when the reaction with metals or non-metal. Okay, this is the reactivity series. Okay, moderate reactivity decreasing, least reactivity. Okay, means top to bottom as per the reactivity. Okay, the potassium is highly reactive, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, and at last there is the gold. Okay, here, yes. How do metal and non-metal reaction? Metal and non-metal reaction. Okay, the metal and non-metals. This is reaction, the sodium, 2 sodium plus 2 chlorine, the reaction 2 NaCl. Okay, this is the magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride is formed when magnesium and chlorine is reacted. Okay, means how do metal and non-metal reactions? Firstly, when metal and non-metals react with each other, then formation of ionic compound. Ionic compound are formed. This is the ionic compounds. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, ionic compounds are formed. Ionic compounds means sodium chloride is formed by when sodium metal gives electron to chlorine. Sodium metal also gives 2 electron to chlorine. Magnesium also gives the electron to chlorine. Okay, after that the ionic compounds are formed. Because of the ionic compounds are totally based on the transferring of the charges from one element to another. Means metals also transfer the charges. Okay, let's we explain it in details. Okay, check out 3.3. This is the 3.3 firstly. Okay, this is the most important before the explanation. The electronic configuration of some elements. Okay, noble gases, metals, non-metals. Okay, with their atomic numbers. Okay, the helium, He, the atomic number is 2. The number of electrons in cell, KLM, and we are studying 9th standard. Okay, the neon atomic number is 10. The number of electrons in cell 2 8 means 8 electron in L cell. Argon, there is 8 electron in M cell. Sodium, okay, sodium also atomic number is 11. 281 means 1 electron in last cell. Okay, you can check out overall. Magnesium 282 means 2 electron in last cell. Aluminium 283 means 3 electron in last cell. Potassium 2881 means in N cell there is a 1 electron. Calcium there is a 2 electron in L cell. Means This is the electronic configuration. Okay, we know that electronic configuration. Okay, here it is the explanation about the total. Okay, means the force of attraction between two oppositely charged, there is the ionic compounds are formed. Okay, the two elements are bonded, means attached by the ionically. Okay, and that is called the ionic compound. The sodium atom has one electron in its outermost cell. It loses the electron from M cell. Okay, then its L cell now become the outermost cell, and that has a stable octet. The nucleus of this atom still has 11 protons, but the number of electrons has become 10. Okay, means there is changes in only electron, there is no changes in protons. Okay, because the sodium also having the 11 atomic number, that's why 11 protons, 11 electrons in sodium. But sodium want to complete the octet, that's why he give a one electron to the other. Okay, other, remind it. Okay, here is any other non-metals, those want to one electron to complete the octet. Okay, here there is a chlorine. Okay, he want one electron to complete the octet, that's why chlorine also react with sodium. Okay, like here the 10 electrons and 11 protons in sodium. Okay, so there is a net positive charge giving us sodium cation. Okay, there is the reaction between cation and anion, and then the formation of ionic compound. Okay, cation means the positive charge, unit positive charge was acquired by the sodium. Okay, there is unit positive charge here. On the other hand, the chlorine has a 7 electron in its outermost cell, that is the cell is M. Okay, it is required one more electron to complete the octet. If sodium and a chlorine were to react, okay, the electron lost by sodium, okay, could be taken up by chlorine. Okay, after gaining an electron, the chlorine atom get a unit negative charge because its nucleus has 17 protons. Okay, and there are 18 electron in its KLM cell. Okay, M cell, this gives us a chlorine anion. So both their elements can have a give and take relation between them as a follow. Okay, here it is total about this means the sodium 281 one electron in its outermost cell, that's why he want to give a one electron. Okay, a sodium cation are formed. There is a 287 chlorine. Okay, electronic configuration, he want a one electron to complete the octet, that's why he take a one electron, and a chloride anion are formed. When sodium and chlorine is reacted, then the formation of sodium chloride. Okay, like here the sodium and chlorine ions being oppositely charged. Okay, being oppositely charged, attract each other. And are held by a strong electrostatic force of attraction to exit as a sodium chloride. It should be noted that sodium chloride does not exit as a molecule. Remember it, underline it. Okay, mark it. Why? Because it is the most important line. Sodium chloride does not exist as a molecule, okay, but aggregate as oppositely charged ions, okay. Here the 2 potassium also react with chlorine, then the formation of potassium chloride, okay. Magnesium chloride, when magnesium is 2 there is 2 electron in last cell, okay, that's why he give a 2 electron to chlorine and acquiring positive charge. Magnesium cation are formed when 2 chlorine atoms react with magnesium 2 at 7, okay, that is the electronic configuration of chlorine. Chlorine want 2 electron to complete the octet, okay, 2 chlorine want 1 electron, that's why they are also taking electron from the magnesium and magnesium dichloride is formed, okay. The properties of a ionic compound, this is a most important point regarding to your syllabus, the properties of ionic compound. Here you read this activity 3.13th, okay, this is and 3.4 chart is most important. This diagram is most important because it's showing the how to charge are transferred, how to conduct the electricity from the solution. That diagram also showing to you, okay, that's why that diagram is very important, okay. You can draw the diagram, okay, and firstly check the melting and boiling point of some ionic compounds, because in this chart those questions arising in front of you, you can clarify that questions reading the above chart, okay. Ionic compound, melting point of some ionic compound and boiling point, okay. The sodium chloride we know up to magnesium chloride, 5 ionic compounds are here, calcium oxide is here, calcium chloride, lithium chloride and so on, okay. Now here total about the physical property of ionic compound, general physical property that are most important, okay. Here ionic compound having the some specific physical properties, okay. Physical nature of ionic compound, what type of a physical nature? When we are observing the sodium chloride, मॅक्झिमम सर्वांना माहिती आहे की घरी आपल्या सोडा मीठ वापरतो. मिठाचं नेचर कसं आहे, स्फटिक स्वरूपामध्ये आहे, सॉलिड आहे, बरोबर आहे, हार्ड पण आहे. बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉंग फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन द पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह चार्ज, द कंपाऊंड आर जनरली ब्रिटल अँड break into pieces when we are applying the pressure on the compounds, okay. Whether maximum time when we are applying the pressure on any compound, that was brittle in nature, that's why it break down into pieces. We know that things, okay. When we are observing the sodium chloride, we easily understand about it, okay. We have a study one property of the sodium, okay, that is the vigorous in nature. Why? Because when we are contact with air, the sodium also catch the fire, okay, but salt are not catch the fire, okay. This is the one moment. Melting and boiling point, we are observing the above 3.4 table. There is a ionic compound having the melting and boiling point are high, very high, highly melting and boiling point. It is easy to recite that things, okay. Why the maximum time question arise like the why the melting and boiling means why the ionic compound having the high melting point, why the ionic compound having high boiling point? Because of the considerable amount of energy is required to break the strong inter-ionic attraction. Means inter-ionic force of attraction in the sodium and chloride in the ionic compound, because their ions are oppositely charged, okay, and that's why they are strongly attached, they are strongly bonded, and that's why they want more energy to break down. Okay, solubility. The electrovalent compound are generally soluble in water, we know, because we are using salt in our daily routine food, fruit. Okay, chat, maximum time we are applying the salt on chat. Okay, salty biscuits, okay, you like it. The electrovalent compound are generally soluble in water, we know, but not soluble in organic solvent. Organic solvent, maximum salts are not soluble in organic solvent, they are like petrol, kerosene, etc. Okay, the conduction of electricity, it is the most important point. Okay, the conduction of electricity through a sodium solution in the moment of a charged particle. A solution of an ionic compound in water contain ions which move to the oppositely charged electrodes. When the electricity is passed through the solution, ionic compound in the solid state does not conduct electricity because of movement of ions in the solid is not possible due to their rigid structure, but ionic compound conduct electricity in a molten state. Okay, you are clearly understand that things. Okay, third point is that the conduction of electricity. Okay, why the ionic compound are we know the insoluble in organic solvent, kerosene, like that. Okay, this is because like one point is remaining about the water. Okay, why organic compound are insoluble in organic solvent? Okay, this is because unlike water, a new attractive force cannot be established in the solvent. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, ionic compound are a maximum in solid state. Okay, that's why they are not conduct the electricity first, that is the most important. ओके, हेच तुम्हाला परीक्षेमध्ये लिहायचं आहे की काय, आयनिक कंपाऊंड हे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करत नाही ड्यू टू सॉलिड स्टेट. ओके, आयनिक कंपाऊंड कॅन नॉट कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी in solid state as it does not contain free ions. Why? Whether there are free ions in a solid, there is a possibility to transfer the charge. Okay, to possibility to transfer the electricity from one to another. Okay, however the fused means a molten state, okay, fused state can conduct electricity as they contain the dissociate ions. Okay, when we are means maximum times when here in this salt solution. Okay, what happen in salt solution, there is a dissociate ions are dissociate in water. Okay, why they are dissociate? Spread in water, they are soluble in water, that's why they are spread in solvent. Okay, and also they are spread in salt. Also aqueous solutions of a ionic compound conduct electricity, okay, as contain. Why? Because of there are ions are free in a aqueous solution. Ions are free in aqueous solution. Why it is possible? Because of ions are free in aqueous solution. That's why the electricity is transferred through the ionic solvent. Okay, on a passing electric current through the solution of ionic move oppositely charged electrodes. Hence, ionic compounds are electrolytes. Ionic compounds are electrolytes. Why it is possible? Because of this is here the one graphite rods. Okay, graphite rods, one also having positive, another is negative. Okay, when we are applying a aqueous solution and they are adding the salt, there is a deassociation of the deassociation of the that elements, that ions are deassociated, and that's why they are transferred, means they are oppositely charged. When electron also means the electrode, positive electrode are acquiring negative charge, negative electrode are attracting positive charge, means this is possibility. That's why the electrolytes, they are electrolytes. Okay, we know that one moment front of you, maximum times one movie, the movie name is Three Idiots. Okay, maximum times Three Idiot movie सर्वांनी पाहिलेला आहे. Okay, our hero when entering in movie, that time he also enter in a hostel. Okay, firstly hero hostel मध्ये ज्यावेळेस एंटर करतो, that time he seeing one means a surprising moment in hostel. The senior also doing the ragging with the juniors, and that's why he directly enter in the room, and one senior also calling to him come outside, but he can't hear. After that, such situations is created. Okay, the senior also lattering on the door. Okay, but hero also doing a good thing. Okay, and that things in a physics. Okay, when he also doing the lattering, he also attaching the electricity. Okay, and that's why the senior also getting shock, because of the salt water is a great electricity conductor. We know that this is the standard physics. सर्वांना माहिती आहे स्टँडर्ड फिजिक्स आहे, सॉल्ट वॉटर इज ग्रेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्टर. ओके, परंतु अप्लाय आपण केलं नाही, हिरोनी केलं, आणि त्यामुळे तुम्हालाही शिकायला मिळालं. खूप छान गोष्ट आहे की कुठून तरी मीन्स नॉलेज यू मस्ट वॉन्ट टू. आणि त्याच पिक्चरमध्ये असं सांगितलं की ज्ञान जहा भी मिले बटोर लो. नॉलेज इट इज फॉर टू एक्वायरिंग. नॉलेज इज मस्ट वॉन्ट टू मीन्स इनटेकिंग. ओके, म्हणजे ज्ञानही कुठून बी मिळू द्या, तुम्ही घेत चला, आणि तुम्हाला ते मिळालं पाहिजे, तुम्हाला ते लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. या गोष्टीची तुम्हीही प्रयत्न करायला पाहिजे. प्रामाणिकपणानं प्रयत्न करा, प्रामाणिकपणानं अभ्यास करा, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला चांगल्या रीतीनं मार्क मिळतील आणि तुम्ही पुढं जाताल भविष्यामध्ये. हीच माझी सदिच्छा आहे. मला असं वाटतं की प्रत्येक जणांना पुढं जावं, कारण मी खूप अशा क्रिटिकल कंडिशनमधून आलेलो आहे, आणि this is not a time to talk like that, but you can firstly check your condition. तुम्ही पहा तुमची कंडिशन काय आहे, मग कशी पहा, फिजिकल पहा, मनी कंडिशन कशी आहे ती पहा, हेल्थ कंडिशन पहा, तुमचे आई वडील तुमच्यासाठी किती मेहनत घेत आहे. तुमची मम्मी सकाळी उठते, तुमच्यासाठी डबा करते, तुम्हाला जेवायला देते. तुमचे डॅडी तुमच्यासाठी नवीन मोबाईल परचेस करून आणतायत का, की यू आर एबल टू डू द स्टडी ऑनलाईन स्टडी, ऑनलाईन सेक्शन, यू वॉन्ट टू अटेंड द ऑनलाईन सेक्शन, वेबिनार्स अँड सो ऑन, मीटिंग्स एक्सेट्रा. व्हाय? बिकॉज ऑफ दी दे वॉन्ट टू स्टेबल यू. ओके, त्यांना तुम्हाला स्टेबल करायचं आहे. ओके, त्यामुळे ते प्रयत्न करतात. तुम्हीही प्रयत्न करा आणि यशस्वी व्हा. ओके, आज आपण इथं थांबू.